I watched on social media. Àwọn kan dín àkàrà, wọ́n ní àwọn dín àkàrà Ṣèyí. Well, I have first. Let me say this. Ẹ má fi pé ẹnìkan lọ sí ọ̀run. Ẹ má fi yọ ẹ̀dá gbogbo wa là ń lọ. Wọ́n á dín àkàrà lẹ́yìn everybody gbogbo wa tá a bá fi náà ni. Let me say this. I am not bothered. I'm not bothered because when I took up this job, because this, wá bẹ̀ mí nílé pé wá jẹ governor Ọ̀yọ́ state. I came out pé mo fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan fún Ọ̀yọ́ state. Gbogbo àkàrà àti everything ṣe mo ti ṣí mọ́. We acknowledge that progress must be people-centered, and we remain committed to ensuring that development remains fair, humane, and inclusive. So, I will honor the promise that I made to visit, to listen, and to explore all possibilities, including resettlement, in addition to adequate compensation. And I will start this week, Wednesday, I will visit Ologweru. So, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ dín àkàrà, ẹ lọ dúró síbẹ̀ àjọ jẹ́ ni.
If they mark your house outside of the 150 meters, disregard it. Ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, you raise some things which are vital. Bí mo ṣe sọ, this administration ń tẹ́mi lè ṣe. First segment, máa parí ẹ̀. Second segment, which is from Badeku to Fidemoniya, is 40 kilometers. À ń ṣe hydraulic structures, àwọn bridges and co. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. I do hope pé this administration will be able to do that. But from Moniya tó fi padà sí TechU tó gba bíi another administration la ṣe. Ntẹ́mi fẹ́ ṣe ní pé look, àwọn tó bá yẹ ká san compensation fún, ẹ jẹ́ á san compensation fún wọn. Ibi tí the main road tó bá fẹ́ lọ, I will just clear it and leave it so that everybody á mọ̀ pé this is circular road. If it's another 3 years from now, the state yìí ní owó to construct that one, gbogbo wàhálà yìí kò ní sí mọ́ nígbà yẹn. So I am offering myself to solve as much of our problems as possible. I will not say, okay, I promise Oyo State people, but I will work for them until the last moment of the last day. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, tí we all belong to this state. And any challenges. Èmi náà máa jákàrà bí ilé ni òbí tó lọ. Ṣé rí pé ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kàn lẹ́wà ń bì, àwọn tí wọ́n lọ sí toll gate, pé àwọn dín àkàrà Ṣèyí and all of those things. For how many days ni wọ́n fi ṣe? Kí ni cost ẹ̀ sí economy wa? And let me say this, yes, you have every right láti protest, but àwọn kan náà ní every right láti go about their economic activities. So ibi tí right ẹnìkan